is here, and you can see that it has a piece of connective tissue that goes straight to the hallux. Hallucis, hallux. What is your hallux?
Big toe.
Big toe. So this little muscle this little muscle right here is your extensor hallucis longus. Okay, it goes to the big toe. So then on the back, we start with what I like to call the butt calf muscle. So when people do a lot of like bicycle riding and other things, they end up with this like part on the back of their calf that like you could totally cup it, right? It's weird and it looks kind of like a little butt. This is the gastrocnemius. I call it the gastrocnemius because the C is supposed to be silent. But in order to spell it correctly, most people call it the gastrocnemius. There's a C in the middle of there. Okay? So the gastrocnemius is these two big bellies. This whole thing is the gastrocnemius. Okay? Right behind the gastrocnemius is what is called the soleus. So this is the soleus here. You can also take off this muscle and you can see more of the soleus. Both of them are going to run to the same area on the heel. Okay? The gastrocnemius, soleus. Right.
Tibialis posterior.
So then you go deep on the muscle. Here, number 40 is going to be your tibialis posterior. It actually runs the entire posterior portion here, but it's deeper to all of these other muscles, so you can only see this small portion right here. This is your tibialis posterior. Okay?
Flexor digitorum longus.
For the flexor digitorum longus and the flexor hallucis longus, you want to remember which one is connected to the fibula. The flexor hallucis longus connects to this fibula here. So this big muscle that you can see attached to that fibula, this is your flexor hallucis longus. Okay? So then on this side, you have your muscle that is your flexor